Hello and welcome to our comparison video of two popular kitchen appliances. In this video, we'll be comparing the Ninja FD 401 Foodi 12-in-1 Deluxe XL 8 quarts, pressure cooker and air fryer with the Tasti-Crisp electric air fryer oven cooker. We'll be evaluating them in several categories to help you decide which one is best for you. When it comes to capacity, the Ninja Foodi Deluxe XL takes the lead with an extra-large 8-quart ceramic-coated pot and a family-sized 5-quart cook and crisp ceramic-coated basket. The Tasti-Crisp air fryer, on the other hand, has a 2.6-quart capacity, perfect for smaller servings or snacks. The Ninja Foodi Deluxe XL offers 12 programmable cooking functions, including pressure cook, air fry, air crisp, steam, slow cook, yogurt, sear, sauté, bake, roast, broil, dehydrate, sous vide, and keep warm. The Tasti-Crisp air fryer, however, only has the air fry function. If you're looking for versatility, the Ninja Foodi Deluxe XL is the way to go. The Ninja Foodi Deluxe XL is priced at $249, while the Tasti-Crisp air fryer is priced at $59. If you're on a budget, the Tasti-Crisp air fryer might be a better option for you. However, keep in mind that the Ninja Foodi Deluxe XL offers more features and versatility. Both products come with safety features, but the Ninja Foodi Deluxe XL has 14 safety features, ensuring a safe cooking experience. The Tasti-Crisp air fryer also has an auto shut-off function to prevent overcooking. The Ninja Foodi Deluxe XL has a larger and heavier design, weighing about 26 pounds. The Tasti-Crisp air fryer, on the other hand, is half the weight of a standard fryer and is more compact, making it perfect for smaller kitchens or dorm rooms. That's it for our comparison video. We hope this helped you decide which kitchen appliance is best for your needs. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more reviews and comparisons in the future. Thank you for watching.